Welcome to day 3 of Daily 10 English Words. What's the best way to start your day before heading to school or work? Yes, learning something new. Let's spend this time wisely and learn 10 useful English words together. You'll feel confident and positive for the whole day. So grab your morning drink, maybe some breakfast, and let's jump right in before the busy day starts. Word 1. Apple, meaning a round fruit that is usually red, green or yellow. Let's talk about it. They say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Have you packed a healthy snack for today? If not, grab an apple. It's sweet, fresh and perfect for your busy day ahead. Remember, taking care of your body is part of being successful. Examples. I eat an apple every morning to stay healthy. She gave me a sweet red apple as a snack. Apples are good for your health. Crunch into that apple and feel good knowing you're making a healthy choice. Word 2. Bag, meaning something used to carry things. Your bag is your morning hero. It carries everything you need for the day. But before you leave, check it. Do you have your pen, your notebook, your water bottle? Being prepared makes the day go smoothly. Examples. My school bag is very heavy today. She packed her clothes in a travel bag. I forgot my bag at home this morning. Go ahead, check your bag now. All set? Great, you're ready to go. Word 3. Jump, meaning to push yourself up off the ground. Sometimes we need a quick burst of energy. If you're feeling sleepy this morning, try standing up and doing a little jump. Jumping wakes up your body and brings a smile to your face. Ready? 1, 2, jump. Feel the happiness? Examples. The kids love to jump on the bed. He can jump very high during basketball games. Don't jump too close to the wall. A little jump in the morning makes your heart feel light and happy. Try it. Word 4. Tiger, meaning a large wild cat with orange fur and black stripes. The tiger is strong, confident and fearless. Think like a tiger today. Whatever challenge comes your way, whether it's a tough class or a busy workday, face it bravely. You're stronger than you think. Examples. The tiger is a strong and fast animal. We saw a tiger at the zoo last weekend. Tigers live in forests and jungles. Word 5. Light, meaning something that makes a place bright. Let's talk about it. Light isn't just from lamps or the sun. You are also a light in the world. Start your day by thinking positive thoughts and you'll shine wherever you go, at work, in class or with friends. Examples. Turn on the light. It's dark in here. This lamp gives soft light, perfect for reading. Like reading under natural light near the window. Let the light in and don't forget, you are the light today. Shine bright. Word 6. Water, meaning a clear liquid we drink to stay alive and healthy. Water is life. You can't start the day without it, right? It refreshes you and keeps your mind clear. Before you even leave the house, have a big glass of water. It wakes up your body and helps you feel fresh and ready to take on the day. Examples. I drink water every morning to stay fresh. Please give me a glass of cold water, it's hot today. Water helps us stay healthy and hydrated. Take a sip now and feel that energy flow through you. Stay healthy, my friend. Word 7. Pen, meaning a tool we use for writing. Let's talk about it. Before you head out, why not write something positive for today? Pick up your pen and write one small goal. It could be smile more today or learn one new word. A pen may seem small, but it holds the power to change your day. Examples. I always carry a pen in my bag. He wrote his name with a blue pen. Can I borrow your pen for a moment? Got your pen? Write something that will inspire you for the whole day. Word 8. Dance, meaning to move your body to music. Before you rush out the door, why not play your favorite song and dance for a minute? Dancing lifts your mood and fills you with positive energy. It's the perfect way to start your day with a smile. Examples. Let's dance to our favorite song. She loves to dance at parties and weddings. Dancing makes me feel happy and free. Try it. Put on a fun song, dance like no one's watching, and step out with confidence. Word 9. Window, meaning an opening in a wall that lets in light and fresh air. A new day means a fresh start. Why not open the window and let the morning light and air in? It's a small action, but it brings big positive feelings. Try looking outside and notice something beautiful, even if it's just the sky or a tree. Examples. I opened the window to feel the fresh air. She looked out the window and saw the birds. Please close the window before it rains. Take a moment. Open that window, take a deep breath and say, today is going to be a great day. Word 10. Table, meaning a piece of furniture we use to eat, work, or place things on. The table is where we start our day, breakfast time. It's also where we gather with family or prepare for work. Take a moment to appreciate this little space. Is your table clean? Is it ready for a great day? Examples. We ate breakfast at the big table. She put her books on the table. The table is made of wood. Sit at your table with good posture, take a deep breath, and feel thankful for this new day. You've done something amazing today. You learned 10 new words and started your day the best way possible, with positivity and learning. Quick review. Apple, a sweet round fruit, usually red, green, or yellow. Bag, used to carry your things. Jump, to push yourself off the ground. Tiger, a strong wild animal with stripes. Light, what makes things bright and easy to see. Water, a clear liquid that keeps you healthy. Pen, a tool for writing. Dance, to move your body to music. Window, an opening that lets in fresh air and sunlight. Table, a flat surface where you eat, work, or place things. Say them all out loud again. And remember, every word is a small step toward big success in English. Thank you for learning with me this morning. Have a fantastic, positive, and successful day ahead. I'll see you tomorrow for day 4. Until then, keep smiling and keep shining.